Ethula ubufakazi phambi kwekomishana kaZondo, uLeroux wenza imisebenzi eminingi eyalelwe izikhulu zakaBOSASA. Ulandise ngomuzi oseKrugersdorp lapho enza khona umsebenzi okholwa ukuthi umuzi ngowabe ngungqongqoshe unomvula Mokonyane.
First, a morning I met there with Mr. Leroux, and then he showed us that backup power system doesn't work. So we then had a look at it, but then I left, and then Mr. Van Biljon, he went back and he fixed it.
Uqhube wathi kwakunemoto kanokusho eyisemagcekeni alomuzi.
I saw it looked like to be an expensive car, and then I looked at it, I saw it was an Aston Martin standing.
Lesigcawu kulindele ukuthi iqhubeke ngoLesine esidabeni zeSABC ngombuso eGoli.